Hey guys, it's Tuesday, June 2nd. Today you need to continue going through and looking at your comments on your rough draft. You need to revise and edit your final paper. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have a few other people look through it, share it with a friend, have a parent or brother or sister or somebody in your house go through and look at it. And then make sure when you turn it in that you turn in your bibliography as well. So that should be attached to the very end of it. Make sure that you have that. If you don't have a bibliography, then we have some major problems because you won't pass without it because a bibliography is what keeps you from plagiarizing. So make sure that you have your bibliography. I cannot stress that enough. All of your work is due by 11 o'clock on Thursday, June 4th. I will not take anything after that because we have to have our grades in by Friday. And if I don't have your stuff in by Thursday, if I'm still getting stuff on Friday, then I'm not going to be able to get grades in on time. So please make sure that you have your grade or all of your stuff in on time. Make sure that you have your bibliography and your final paper. We are almost done, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.